Hi you guys, welcome back to It's MGENI, and of course you already know that I am MGENI, but if you do not know me and you are new here, welcome. Welcome to It's MGENI. It's me. I know you guys been like, where's she at? Where is MGENI? Can anybody find her? We need some more info. We ain't been teased in a while. Like, what's going on? Where's she at? And I'm here. Just came back from vacation, went to Atlanta, but I'm here now. No excuses, right? No excuses. So today I'm going to be talking about how you can get paid with YouTube. I mean, have some money coming in with just by making videos, just by, expressing yourself, or, doing what you do best. Just make videos. Let's get to it. First thing first, I'm the realist. No. First thing first, to get paid with YouTube, you have to have, I believe, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Meaning, okay, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 people that are subscribed to your channel. And then you have to have, the videos, the content on your channel so people can watch. And you have to get up to, 4,000 hours, watch hours. You have to have 4,000 watch hours for you to be approved to start getting paid from YouTube. So once you get that, they're going to send you a paper from Adsense telling you to, to sign up for AdSense. They send you like a code so they can verify and make sure that that is your address. Make sure you are who you say you are on YouTube. So they're gonna send you like a little verification and all that stuff, and you get that done. So then you're approved for AdSense, and AdSense is just being approved for what is it called? Ads, of course. Being approved for ads on your YouTube, and that's how you get paid. But you not only get paid for ads, you still are getting paid for people watching your videos, because not all my videos have ads on them. And that reason is because, YouTube have the policies and, guidelines you must follow. You can't have copyrighted music. Well, I think it's like a little amount of time that you can play if it is, music that another artist sings. So you can't have that. You can't do a lot of cursing. And your girl, MGENI, your girl MGENI do a little cussing. A little sailor, just a little bit. So you can't have that. And a lot of my videos, before I started, receiving money, I didn't know that you can't curse on there. So a lot of my videos, well, some of my videos do not have ads on it, and it's because of that reason. You can't curse. I mean, simple as that. So once you got all that together, you're not cursing on your thing, you're not you don't have a lot of copyrighted music on there, you have your content is up, and you have people watching your content, your money is going to start flowing in from YouTube. Like my first check, when did I get my first check? 2 weeks ago, I believe. 2 weeks ago. And I started YouTube about 3 to 4 months ago. So the process can go fast or it can go slow. It depends on the person you are and how you are, advertising your platform. So if you have like if you have like Instagram or Twitter, you can use the people that is on there, your already supporters on there, and, you know, just bring them to your YouTube channel for more detailed information about whatever you're talking about. So like if you're doing YouTube, if you're doing YouTube videos and you're starting a YouTube channel, you can, you know, use your Instagram or use your Facebook or use your Twitter to advertise your YouTube channel. I'm sure if you have even if you have like 10 good, you know, good supporters, 10 good supporters, you can, you know, use them and, you know, just bring them on to your platform. Like, look, next time, if you like this content on here on my Instagram, or if you like what I'm talking about on here, come on over to my YouTube channel. Come on over to It's MGENI and get a more detailed, more information about what you want to hear about. Like, because, you know, Instagram, they have a lot of restrictions. A lot. So, you can't even post you probably can on IGTV, like post a 10-minute video. But if you really want to get down and deep with your information, YouTube is the place to come. So you use Instagram and Twitter to advertise your platform. And that's how that works. It's all about who you know and the support that you already have. Use what you already have to get what you want and to grow more. So, yeah. What else is there? So you have your support. You have all the, you know, the people that you need. And once that start flowing, once the watch hours start flowing, then your cash is going to start flowing into your pockets. Like, come on, cash, come on. It's gonna start flowing. So yeah, it's having a YouTube channel is not hard. It's not hard to make money from YouTube. It's just you have to go by the guidelines. You have to go by their rules. But, you know, it's easy. It's not that hard. It's all about cutting down your seller mouth, bringing your support group to the platform and making it grow more. And, you know, it's all about being you, being your real self, being your authentic self. And once people see that, and once YouTube see that people are liking your videos and liking your content, they are going to, you know, recommend you to people that you have never seen before. Like, they're going to recommend you if your content is growing and if it's worth, you know, sharing. So I get a lot of comments on my YouTube channel like, how in the heck did YouTube recommend this video for me? I'm like, look, you must have needed it. You must have needed it. If YouTube recommended it, it was a sign from the universe to, you know, come on over to It's MGENI, get this information, let me tease you a little bit, and, you know, let's get it popping. And, you know, that's pretty much it. It's an easy process, but you still have to be consistent with your content. It's all about consistency, you know, staying on track, staying on top of your content, engaging with your followers, your subscribers, your fans, because these are really your fans. These people are coming to see you, get your information. They're following you. You know, they want to see what you got for them. So they are really your fans. These are the people you're doing it for. The people that support you, that is who you're doing it for. Not no one else. So get your stuff, make a list of what you want to talk about, and, you know, get it together. Start getting this money, free money, because that's really what it is. It's free money. I'm sitting right here in my home recording in front of my camera, and, you know, receiving money for it. It's free money of you know, doing what I'm already doing. So let's get it, y'all. I want to thank you guys so much for, you know, coming to see me, you know, so thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for supporting your girl. Please continue to do so. I love you guys so much. I am so grateful for the support, because, you know, I wouldn't be able to get this I wouldn't be able to get this if it wasn't for y'all. So thank you so much. Please go follow me on my Instagram at _MGENI. And, you know, thank you guys for watching.